G'day guys, Chris here from Hilti, and today I'm going to talk to you about our VC40 vacuum cleaner. This is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, so it's perfect for all sorts of different applications, whether it's wet concrete cutting with water and diamond blades and you're creating a concrete slurry, or just dry cutting or coring. It'll suck up everything and keep it all enclosed. Another really cool feature of this vac is it's got an external power outlet on the front, only up to 1200 watts though, so you couldn't power a heavy duty tool from it, but really helpful for smaller things, smaller handheld tools, potentially a phone charger, radio, things like that. The type of bag you use inside this vacuum cleaner is really important as well. If it's a wet application and you're going to be sucking up slurry, wet concrete slurry with this, a plastic bag is really, really good. And super simple. If you're going to be collecting dust or concrete matter, particles in the air, you probably want to go with a fleece bag, and that helps to circulate the air but also capture everything that the vacuum cleaner is sucking in. Overall, a really handy wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and a really important health and safety tool to have on your site depending on the application. Need to break concrete? You can Hirepool that.